Ever asked yourself, how can I conquer my first trade fears? Welcome to the thrilling world of trading, a universe of possibilities where fortunes can be made with the right knowledge and strategies. We understand the fears that beginners often face, the jitters, the uncertainty, the worry of potential losses. These feelings are normal, they're part of the journey, but it's time to face those fears head on, and we're here to guide you through it. The first step to conquering fear is understanding the stock market. It's a bustling marketplace where shares are bought and sold like goods at a bazaar. The prices fluctuate based on supply and demand, influenced by various factors like company performance, economic indicators, and global events. Identifying market trends is crucial. It's like reading the pulse of the market. Staying informed about market conditions helps you make informed decisions. Remember, knowledge is power in this game. Now you need to set some achievable goals. The path to successful trading begins with setting realistic objectives. These goals will serve as your roadmap, guiding your decisions and helping you stay focused amid the market's ups and downs. They can be as simple as aiming to understand a new trading concept each week, or as ambitious as striving to achieve a specific profit target each month. Remember, the key is to make these goals achievable and motivational, not overwhelming. With clear goals in mind, you're already halfway to success. Nobody becomes a trading pro overnight. It takes time and learning from those who've been there before. It's vital to glean wisdom from seasoned traders. They've navigated the uncertain waters you're now dipping your toes in. Resources like insightful books, comprehensive online courses, and enlightening webinars are treasure troves of knowledge. They offer invaluable tips and strategies that can help you avoid common pitfalls and fast-track your trading success. Remember, every pro was once a beginner. Trading is a risky business, but with smart strategies you can navigate these risks. One such strategy is diversification. Simply put, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your portfolio by investing in different types of assets. Another essential strategy is using stop-loss orders. These set boundaries for potential losses, helping protect your capital. Such orders automatically sell your stocks when they reach a predetermined price. Risk is part of the game, but with these strategies, you're well equipped to manage it. Before jumping into the deep end, try the shallow waters first. Trading simulators are your perfect training ground. They offer a risk-free environment to learn, make mistakes, and hone your strategies. With these virtual platforms, you can gain real-time experience without the fear of losing actual money. It's a unique chance to navigate the trading world, understand market trends, and develop your unique trading style. So, remember, practice makes perfect, and in trading, it can also make profits. When you're ready to dive into real trading, remember, slow and steady wins the race. The strategy of starting small is a powerful tool for beginners. It's like dipping your toes into the ocean of trading, testing the waters before taking the full plunge. This approach allows you to learn the ropes, understand the market dynamics, and manage your risks effectively. It also helps you build confidence, improve your decision-making skills, and cultivate patience. Remember, in the world of trading, small steps can lead to big gains. Trading isn't just about numbers, it's also about managing emotions. Emotional discipline is pivotal to your trading journey. Decisions driven by fear or greed can lead to impulsive trades, often resulting in losses. It's crucial to keep a steady mind, unswayed by the highs of success or lows of setbacks. Remember, every trade won't be a win, and that's okay. Learning to navigate these emotions, maintaining a balanced perspective is key. In trading, a cool head often prevails. The world of trading is constantly evolving, and so should you. Just like the markets, your knowledge needs to be dynamic, adapting to new strategies, trends, and insights. The most successful traders are those who consider themselves perpetual students, always seeking to broaden their understanding. Whether through books, online courses, or engaging in trading forums, there's always something new to learn. Remember, in this ever-changing landscape, knowledge is your most valuable asset. Never stop learning, because the market never stops moving. With these strategies in your arsenal, you're ready to embark on your trading journey. From understanding the market, setting realistic goals, learning from experts, managing risks, to practicing with simulators, starting small, maintaining emotional discipline, and committing to continuous learning, you've got the basics covered. This journey is thrilling, challenging, but most importantly, it's yours. So, what are you waiting for? The market awaits. And remember, subscribe for more tips to conquer your trading fears.